Hi guys. Pabuhat naman guys. Try natin maglaro. Hello baby. Manonood ka sa akin. Ka-classic lang ako. Marunong pa ba ako maglaro nito? No! Ala, nangyari. Classic lang po at hindi pa po marunong. Ano to? Kunin? Ba't Tagalog na to? Kunin. Okay, gamitin. Okay. Kunin. Gamitin. Kala ko alis ka. Wala pa nga. Wala pa sila. So, cheer mo ko baby. Nag-install ako ng ML. Balik sa lobby. Ayan na. Good luck guys. Heal the user.
Fight for the ultimate answer.
Marksman, fighter, assassin, marksman, mates. Okay. Kailangan ng rumor. Tagal. Tagal. Alucard na Nami, Layla, Lancelot, Ishan, Layla, Funny, Kishan. Yan guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
All fighters say,
Deployed!
X. Lane, level up na mabilis para lumama. Tore.
Battle spell is ready.
Handa na. Inspire, handa na.
Forefathers. Need my answer. My back begs to differ.
Oh. Labas na, pogi. Labas na, pogi. Ganda pala kasi shield the police. Oh my god. Ba't ang mga bobobo ng mga tingkating? Buti na lang classic.
Where's your net? Launch attack!
Atras na. Ay, atras na. Uy, ano ba? My God.
Shelter my people.
Ang bobo ninyo. Sorry guys, di ako marunong maglaro. Isang taon lampas.
Need my answer.
My God.
Ha! My axe begs to differ.
Matapos ko lang tong alang ito. Ay, tinitira ako.
A warrior's strength
Tago sa bush.
from everything she loves.
Kawawa naman yung mga friends ko. Ang aking team.
Forefathers. Need my true warrior would give life to the thing she wants. An enemy has been slain. I'll carry my fate to the grave.
Ay. Guys, wait lang. Tapusin ko lang to. Saka ako ay tutulungan. Uy, labas na. Nakakainis ko. Hilda.
Mother, I know you are watching.
Tinatak.
I'll carry my fate.
Walang hiyang yun. Uy! Ba't ka pumapasok doon? Baklang to. Lang guys, tutulungan ko kayo dyan. At pag nahihirapan na kayo, I'm here na. Ano ba kasi ginagawa nitong dalawang ito dito? Ano ba yan? Saan pa kayo? Kaya napapagod ako na lang magkuha niyan. Diyos ko Lord.
I'll carry my fate to the grave.
Iasasin niyo pa ako.
Or do you the only way to escape the past?
Ay, huwag tayong papasok dyan guys. Tanga ka ba? Tanga ka ba? This is Hilda.
I will not dishonor the name.
Sige, lapit ka. Naunahan ako. Ay, nako. Tirahin mo na yung Layla. Hina naman yung Layla. Muling mabubuhay sa...
I
Sorry
have to be
guys.
strong enough to shelter my people. Request backup. I will not dishonor the name you gave me.
Apat. Sorry guys. Sige. Ano kaya dyan? Tanga? Farm bang tawag dyan? Buisit.
A true warrior would give life to the thing she wants to protect.
Nag-i-atake ako dito.
Our turret has been destroyed. The enemy has slain the turtle.
Oh my god. Matigas na yan.
Forging ahead is the only way for me to attack. Our turret has been destroyed. You have slain an enemy. Mother, I know you will rise. Our turret is under attack. I have to be strong enough to shelter myself.
Pusin ko lang ito. Yan, para
Team destroyed.
pasok-pasok ang ating mga... Wala ako, guys.
Over me. Shut down. I'll carry my faith to the grave.
Ay, sorry, may tumulong pala sa akin. Sorry.
Where to next? Legendary. You have slain an enemy. Our turret is under attack.
Balik ako dun, buisit. Hindi. Ang dalawa.
Our turret has been destroyed. Legendary.
Ah, Lord na sila. They are killing the Lords. Daya mo ah.
I have to be strong enough to shelter my people.
Sabi ko punta ka sa akin yung isang yan. Sige.
Warriors
Punta ka sa akin. Wait, I'm waiting for you.
team destroyed.
Ay, naunahan ako. Dalawa.
Die, a warrior.
Sorry. Bakit mo dyan?
Your team destroyed the turret. An ally has been slain.
Bottom ako, bottom.
Double kill. Only I had the power. To next. The path is the path.
Ay, puta. Sorry, guys. Pata.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Rampage. Double kill.
Ay, good luck.
I will not dishonor the name you gave me. I have to be strong enough to shelter my people.
Talo na daw. Huwag kayo wala ng pag-asa.
Don't fight on our sector turret under attack. Mother, I know you are watching over me. Where's your net? Forging ahead is the only way to escape the path.
Pucha.
Oh.
Wala yung team ko. Direct na. Hmm. 43.
Our turret is under attack.
10.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Tingnan.
Mother, I know you are watching over me. Forging ahead is the only way for
Assassin
me
na
to
naman.
escape the path. My answer has been slain. Done. Warrior. Double kill.
Puisip ka. Layla.
Legendary.
Laban pa. Wala na.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Ang gawan, Mia. Mia, what are you doing? Long range ka.
Your team destroyed a turret.
May pag-asa pa tayo, guys.
Strong enough to shelter my people.
Yung aking top na binild kanina. Pucha. Kainis naman to si Albert. Reset. Pag-aralang ilagan ang mabuti ang kalaban upang maiwalan ang pagkamatay sa bush. Kainis.
I have to be strong. I have to self.
Ay, puta. Inabot pa ko. Sorry, guys. Ay, nako. Diyos ko, kawawa naman yung aking mga ka-team. Diyos ko, Lord. Anong ginawa niyo? Ano ko sa inyo?
Fight for the ultimate. Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! I feel warriors, don't bring shame upon our ancestors' glory. Mother, I know you are watching over me. You have slain an enemy.
Thanks, Mia.
An enemy has been slain. Mother, I know you are watching over me.
Bobo mo, alam mo, I'm Hilda. Uy, sayang. Naglag.
Mother, I know you are watching over me.
Bumalik ka pa, Gabo. Bobo mo. Sana.
Forefathers, I need my answer.
lives for the things she wants to protect. If only I had the power.
Mega kill! Monster kill! Your team destroyed a turret! Enemy has been slain! Unstoppable!
Mother, I know you are watching over me.
Your team destroyed a turret! Your team destroyed a turret! Monster kill! Your team destroyed the turret! Team destroyed a turret! Unstoppable! Initiate retreat! Legendary! Initiate retreat!
Ha! My axe begs to differ.
Legendary! Request backup! Your team destroyed a turret! Legendary! Our turret has been destroyed.
Oh.
Victory!
Yan. Ranger na daw ako. I-hard natin si Nina. Sa inyo yun.
When you gaze into the
Delete. Bye guys!